What's the meaning of agree? Agree. 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 The term agree refers to a state of mutual acceptance or consensus between two or more parties. It implies that individuals or groups have reached a harmonious understanding on a particular issue or topic, often through compromise or negotiation. This can manifest in various forms, such as a signed agreement or a verbal understanding. Ultimately, the result of agreeing is a sense of unity and cooperation, where all parties involved are willing to work together towards a common goal or objective.